Welcome to the QuMind Academy video tutorial for setting up email call group email invitations and adding participants. This video assumes you have built and tested your call group and you are now ready to go live with the same. There are two ways in which you can set up email invitations and add participants. The first way, and the recommended way, is to use our Qualitative group wizard. And you can access this via the left-hand side menu and click on Create and follow all the relevant steps as per the instructions. Please also visit our Building a Call Group video in this support wiki. When you are in the Qual building wizard, you will see the following screen as per this example. You will notice that there are 6 steps. The steps relevant to email invitations and adding participants are part of steps 5 and 6. You can also create email invitations via a different part of the platform. It works in exactly the same way as what you can see on this screen. The other method to access this is to go to the Qualitative drop-down, click on Groups. It will display a screen like this, which shows all available call groups in your account area. You can locate the call group where you wish to set up an email invitation and add participants by looking on screen or using the search box here at the top. You can also view the current screen as a list by clicking on this icon. For this training, we're going to use the demo call group as our call group to create our email invitations and add participants. To begin with, we will click on the 3 dots and select /edit participant invitation. This will open up this screen, which is exactly the same as the screen shown in the wizard. For this video tutorial, we will continue in this screen, and as mentioned, it works exactly the same in the wizard as it does in this area. When creating email invitations, there are a few things to note. At the top of this screen, you have a drop-down showing you all available branded email invitations. In this case, we have the following. Underneath, we can decide on the subject. You may see some templated text when you go into this area. You can, of course, edit that. The from address, this will be selected as default. It can be changed to any from address that you desire. From name, this will be the name which will be shown to call participants when they receive the email as the from name. In this case, we have used the MindMover panel. And then below, you can edit any of the text which is in the template by deleting, adding, etc. You'll see text spread across these different text boxes. Do not remove the unsubscribe as this is required as per data protection, but every other bit of information can be edited. Please ensure that you keep the following in the email invite, as this is the link that your participants will use to gain access to the call group. In this case on the screen, you can see it is shown by this example, mylinkhere.com. And within the text, this tag is where that link will be shown. So please ensure you do not delete this. On the right-hand side is a preview of what your email invitation will look like on the screen. Ensure the correct language has been selected. If you're using a different language and you have preloaded translations, you'll be able to use this drop-down and select different languages. What will be displayed in the different languages are predetermined templates. When you are happy with the wording in your email invitation, you can click Save to save your work, and then we would recommend clicking on Test. And test will send you an email to your account email or any other email that you enter, so you can take a look at the look and feel and check if that email invitation is ready to go. You can also click on check spam, which will give you a spam score. Obviously, you want the lower score as possible so that your email invitations reach your core participants. You can also view the way the email invitation will look by clicking on these icons here in the top right. This icon with a monitor will show you what it looks like on a mobile and desktop. The next one on the screen will show you what it looks like if images are stripped out by the core participant's email. And the other one will show what the email invitation will look like in pure text format. When you're ready to upload participants, please click on Upload Select Participants. You will be brought into this new screen. In this screen, there are several different options which you can use to add participants. The first option is to upload a Microsoft CSV file. You can click on See an Example to download a template, which you can then fill with your participants' information. Please use this example to guide you. Once that file is completed, you can then click on Select CSV File, select that file and click Upload. Further options include copy and paste. Simply copy and paste in the emails of the participants you wish to invite. Paste the list of emails separated by commas or a new email per line. Use existing sample. This is an option which is available to panel or community platform users only. This will give you the opportunity to target existing panel or community members using the same logic that you would use to invite them into survey studies. For example, you'll be able to access a list of pre-made batches which you may have already in your panel and community, for example, over 18s in this case. You can select them and then you can invite them using this targeting criteria on your panel or community. You can also create a new sample. So perhaps you're looking to target a new group of panel or community members. And you'll be able to do this simply by loading up your registration survey. In this case, if I select from this list, it will then add my registration survey, and then I can drag and drop my targeting criteria for my core group. In this case, I'm going to target everyone who has answered I agree to consent number 3. I can drag and drop the criteria to the right, and I can save changes to create my sample batch. You have another option to send a test email on this screen as well, should you wish to use it before inviting real participants into your core group. When you're ready to invite participants, in this case, for the sake of this example, we will copy and paste. We've added in our email or emails, and then we will click on Upload and Send Invitations. You will see there is a message at the bottom of the screen to confirm that invitations have been sent. Your core participants have now been added into your live core group, and they will begin logging in.